Good evening, everyone. My name is Claudia Flores. I belong to group number 6 of testing and evaluation in ELT. This is activity number 5. In this recording, I'm going to explain one purpose of evaluation that I choose. Okay, I'm going to describe of the population I choose. They belong a private school where the child have age between 12 to 13 years old. The course is 7th grade. This is activity have a time approximately 3 hours. This is a school belong to municipality in Palmira. The name of the topic is "What are you doing at the moment?" In this activity, the student to belong skills of writing and grammar to present continuous. Their general objective is guess routine activities expressed by the student through the meme and write it on the board using the grammar to evaluate. This is objective have one goal is identify the moments where you can use the present continuous in daily life and apply the grammar correctly. The indicators of the goal are identify the time studying in the readings and activities worked in class and recognize the grammatical order in the construction of affirmative, negative, and interrogative sentences of the present continuous and bullet them. The expected learning is shows interest in learning the proposed topic, attends to the feedbacks made by the teacher to achieve the proposed objectives, develop the proposed activities with creative and enthusiasm. He is responsible with his individual and collective work, showing respect for the work of his classmates during the development of the activities proposed in class. This is the most important part in this activity because it's the shape how the teacher will evaluate. Top of evaluation. There are two shapes of evaluation. One formative evaluation and one summative evaluation. To formative evaluation, it will be done after of the explanation given for the teacher with the finality of to know the level of to learn of the students and to do the feedbacks so the students can make the corrections and to learn of their mistakes. The evaluation will be done through a question of multiple choice done for the teacher with Google. Summative evaluation will be done through of the ludic activity and evaluation right where the students will be evaluated in grammar and writing as a final assignment. Evaluation criteria is a personal evaluation. This part will be developed for the students. In the activities will be evaluate the creative attitude, responsibility, and way of work in team and individual. The point will be given according to the rubric of evaluation and self-assignment done for every student. Material proposed. Exercise fill in the box. Videos of maximum 3 minutes of routine activities where you can show the time to study. Paint pens for the development of recreational activity. Colored makers for board and erasing for development of playful activity. Methodology. Classwork is developing a project activity, developing a playful activity according to aids that will allow students to interact with their classmates to build the new concept seen in class. The teacher will act as a facilitator in such a way that students find a support for the construction of new knowledge, but beyond the protagonist of his learning, thus developing autonomy in the students. Methodological framework. Students developing the online exercise developed by the teacher through Google Drive. Students receive group feedback analyzing filed sentences and the reason why they were misspelled. The students make the projects that will work in the playful activity and receive advice if required by the educator. The students make the description of the sentences, uses the mime. The activity will be done in a group. Pedagogical model. For this activity will be used the dialogue pedagogical model, what is based in the theories of Lev Vygotsky, David Asubel, Jean Piaget, Alberto Merani, where the students and teacher are important in the process of build to learn of the pupil. This model is constructivism, so the students work to build of their off to learn. The teacher works as a facilitator. Acquired knowledge is too important as developing other aspects of their personality, so the students will have a developing whole as a person and integrate of the society. This pedagogical model was proposed by the teacher as research William Subirias Samper and contained constructivism theories where the students and protagonists ordain of learnings are possible to see in the activity's purpose. Okay, thank you for your attention. No more. Bye.